Hey y'all, I am here to do a review today. I've done a review for this store. It's a store on Amazon called Bleds. I've done a couple of reviews for them in the past. I think I did a couple of 6x6 scrapbook paper packs. I've done some textured paper, I believe. More like cloth, it feels like to me. But then now they've asked me, they have allowed me to do a review for a scrapbooking kit or a journaling kit. And you will find a link to the product in the description, so you can go check it out if you find it something that you would like to have. It comes in this really pretty little box, which could be reused if you wanted to. So let me open it up. I opened it up before just to have a look. I never did open the little packages though, so I have it upside down. But you get this little runner tape. I think that's a really cool benefit. And I don't remember offhand how much it was. I think it was about $14–15 in it, but there was a coupon I was able to use for $2 off. I did get it free, but you have to order it and then they refund you. So that's the way it works. And there is also a Facebook page that you can join if you want to do some reviews. And then once in a while, they will say, we would like someone to do these reviews. And then you can private message them. And this is something new. You can also get some people subscribing to your channel and post your work and your videos there. So we have these pretty, look like to me like, I don't know, like papers that would have been dyed and then, or crumpled up and then dyed. Of course they haven't been, it's just a print, but there's a really cute, a lot of different colors here. Some browns and some like peach. Then we have some that are taller. Yeah, these are really kind of small, but they would be fun to use in a lot of different projects. So I think we have several of each color, or at least a couple. There's some kind of grayish, a lot of different browns too. So just a lot of different pretty styles of paper, and it's about the thickness of a piece of copy paper. So that's our first one, and I'm going to set them over to the side so I can put them back in their little pockets here. And then we have this one. And this is more in the, looks like paper that is like postal themed. Oops, I ripped that one a little bit. See, this one looks kind of like someone cut up a postcard or something. It's a lot of fun little papers to use in creating. Looks like you also get a couple of each of these. Different colors, different styles. All fun for collaging and journaling and scrapbooking. Looks like little postcards. And really cute. Oh, and these are really cute. Look at these. Little girl on there. And that one too. Very cute. And this one looks like I don't know, it looks like a receipt to me, but it's in a different language, so I'm not quite sure. Or just maybe it's a postcard. I think that was French. This looks like the back of an envelope. Ooh, this one's pretty. Look at this one. Very pretty rose on there. Some more little girls. Yeah, I really like these. Little birds. Very cute. And then this one, I think might be my favorite though, with the rose on it. Very cool. So we'll put that one over there. And then we have several more packages of similar things. This one, let's see, let's pull it out. Let's see what we got. Some more little papers, like this one has, it looks kind of like a really tall birdhouse. I'm not really sure, but with flowers and stuff, or plants. This looks like a clipboard. Just a lot of fun little designs. Those are about 2 by 2, I guess. That looks like a letter. Very nice. All of it really fun to play with. Oh, look at this one. Looks like a letter coming out of an envelope. Kind of like a label here. Circles. That looks like a book. This one is very pretty. Looks like the page in a scrapbook or something. Or a journal. Looks like letters. Journaling page. All kinds of little goodies here. Another, it looks kind of like a, maybe a clipboard or something, and like a place to write. Very cute. Flowers. A lot of pretty paper and journaling themes here. Tags. So there's that one. Put this over here to be put away again. So that's 3 so far. Then we have 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 of those little papers, and then we have also a pack of stickers. I think all the rest of them are papers. Let's take a quick look at them, but you kind of get the idea of what all's in here. So many pretty little papers to play with. That's a nice design. So many, a lot of different papers to play with. And go ahead and, since I didn't mess this one up so bad, I'll just go ahead and slip it back in there. And this one looks like a lot of little graph papers and ledger papers, just little pieces like that. And this one, let's take a better look at it. A lot of different colors and designs in here. Kind of a mottled look, maybe like it's dyed papers or something. Yeah, I think that's what it's kind of emulating. Yeah, it's kind of like emulating dyed papers, I think. Different colors. these 3 that I put back. And then here's the last one. So yeah, there are 7 little packs of different kinds of papers. Now this one has a lot of floral patterns, looks like, in different colors. Well, if I can grip the thing. So there's a pretty some, and then they're different size. We have some longer ones and some shorter ones and different colors. I really like that blue one. That's really pretty. And some green ones, some brown ones, some pink ones. So very pretty. And then let's take a look at the stickers. I think these may be my favorite part of the kit. Because you know I love stickers, but they're in the sunflower theme. And it might be hard to see them, so I will turn a few of these over, or that I hope that glare doesn't bother y'all. But I don't know how many stickers it says. Oh, it says there's 40 pieces. It's 40 or 48. I think it's 40. But just lots of pretty sunflowers. Different styles, bigger ones and bunches or bouquets of them. Can't talk. Those aren't really I don't know. I think those might be daffodils. So, but they're in the yellow and creamy theme. So they're not all sunflowers as I originally thought. But here's some tulips. And this might be more daffodils. Or is it lilies? I don't know my flowers, y'all. Maybe some of them are lilies and maybe some are daffodils. That's a mum, I'm pretty sure. So mostly yellow, a few look kind of like off-white. And very cute, all of them. Okay, that is my review for Bleds store. If this would be a fun thing just to, like, if you were making a masterboard, a journal, a scrapbook, collage, really be great for collage. So thank y'all for watching, and remember the links will be in the description if you would like to check them out. And if you're interested in doing some reviews, I will also link the Facebook page so you can join and see what you can get. Some people are doing like 3 packs of 6x6 papers and just different things. And you can also people post their videos where they have created things with their free things that they receive from Bleds store, so you can just enjoy. And thank y'all so much. I'm sorry I can't talk these days. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. All right then, bye now.